Cade Market is organizing a meme prediction tournament which will be going on for 7 days and with rewards of almost $125,000. This will be going only for 7 days, and all you have to do is predict if a meme coin is going to go up or down. And now the most beautiful part of this, it is totally free. You're going to be using on-chain credits, which is on the site, to actually predict if something is going up or down. So that is what I have to bring to you guys today, and we're going to go straight into more about it right away. Now, of course, as you guys can see, this is it, Cade Market, and it's currently the Meme Madness season. Now, Cade has been doing a lot of competitions. They've paid out huge payouts to many participants, over the months and, over the past weeks. And this is the current one, which will be the Meme Madness, going on for only 7 days. And the rewards are 125K for people. Now, there's been loads of sign up, but you can still pre-register, which, as you can see, pre-registration is currently on. All you have to do is click the link. When you get to the link, you can see you're going to create your Cade profile. You sign in and then you save your progress. You're going to get 10 points for that. As you guys can see, currently I've got 70 points. And now, what is the point of getting all of these points? The more points you get, the more credits you're going to be able to use to predict once the tournament opens on the 24th. Now, you're also going to connect your X account, which is your Twitter account. It's mandatory for you to connect this as well, because you're going to use it for Meme Madness, which you're going to get 20 points for that. You also need to follow Cade on X, and which will also get you 20 points. Share the Meme Madness as well on X, which will get you 20 points. So I've done all of this already. As you guys can see, it amounted to 70 points. It is totally insane. Now, they are backed by Pump Fund. I mean, they are built on Pump Fund as well. And they are actually a solid and legit site out there that has been paying loads and loads of prizes to users creating content around them. Now, what is Meme Madness all about? It's 7 daily rounds. So every day will be a new, fresh competition. Your daily score and everything is going to reset at the end of every round. Now, the daily lineup, you're going to have 8 all-star memes and 2 battle coins. So what does it mean? Each round pairs the all-stars with 1 head-to-head battle voted by the community. Now, what am I talking about? What is all this gibberish? So you are going to be predicting on meme coins. You're going to predict which meme coin is going to go up or which meme coin is going to go down. Totally free, using the credits you will be provided on the site, right? So you don't have to do anything. All you need to do is sign up, get your points, and just get ready. Also, follow them on X and turn on post notifications so that you can get all the updates as it's coming fresh from the horse's mouth. So as you guys can see, so for example, we have so many meme coins out there. We have Ansem, we have, on the Solana chain, we have Manlet, we have different meme coins out there on the Solana chain. We have, the Chill Guy, we have Dog with Hat, we have so many of them out there. So you're just going to predict which one is going to go up or which one is going to go down. And now this will be really beautiful because you're going to be seeing loads of volume for most of these meme coins, because people are going to start trying to trade on these meme coins to also have a huge edge and a huge chance. And this is going viral, so much people will see it, and you're going to see much more activity on these meme coins as well. Because, I mean, if you look at it, naturally out there, when talking about BTC, Ethereum, most of the movement you see in the market is also because we can literally predict and trade this meme coin, legacy coins. Good. So now it says the daily ranking says net PNL determines your rank. So your daily score is determined by your net PNL across all markets. The higher your net PNL is, the higher you rank on the daily leaderboard. So you want to try to be profitable at the end of the day. You want to make sure that you are in a positive PNL so that you can rank really really high. Now, each day you start afresh, so fresh credits and its own independent leaderboard. And you're going to make your predictions, use your credits to predict whether the token goes up or goes down in a fast-paced, resolved market. And now you're also going to chase the daily top spot, meaning your finalized net PNL sets your rank for that round. So 7 daily rounds, which is 7 days. And after each day, your scores will be reset. So we're going to be getting winners daily based on your position and your PNL, your net PNL at the end of the day. So 7 different days, 7 rounds. You're going to have opportunity to, place or to be in a very good position after each day, because the leaderboard will be reset every day. So let's say on Monday you place 3rd, on Tuesday you get rewarded, on Tuesday you're not there, Wednesday you can still have an opportunity to come all the way to the top. So there's huge chances for everybody to make it to the top. For just 7 days, 120k will be going out. So make sure you sign up immediately, register, and try to get so much points so that you can have a lot of credit to shoot some predictions. And remember, you also need to do very well, because your net PNL is what determines where you are going to be on the table. So I'm going to see you guys on the battlefield in the Meme Madness section. Peace.